Tired of your scooter dying halfway through your commute? We've all been there. Today, we're putting the best long-range electric scooters under $1,500 to the ultimate test. We're looking for more than just marketing numbers. We want real-world miles, hill-climbing power, and high-speed efficiency. From the legendary reliability of Segway to the massive power of the Fajolo, let's find out which scooter actually owns the road in 2026. Product number 1. Golden Technologies Buzz Around XL 4-Wheel Power Scooter, GB147. The Golden Technologies Buzz Around XL is a masterclass in stability and portable independence. While many scooters in the sub-$1,500 category compromise on build, the GB147 offers a heavy-duty 4-wheel design that excels in both indoor maneuverability and outdoor reliability. For those seeking the longest range in a medical or mobility context, its upgraded battery options provide impressive mileage that outlasts standard portable models. The unboxing experience is seamless, as it disassembles into 5 lightweight pieces without the need for tools, making it a travel essential for those with active lifestyles. The stadium-style seat is adjustable, ensuring that long-duration use remains comfortable. It's a professional-grade mobility solution that balances a high weight capacity with a compact footprint, making it a top-tier investment for long-term reliability. Product number 2. Aero Mobility Kick Scooter for Kids 6+, Teens, and Adults. The Aero Mobility Kick Scooter bridges the gap between a toy and a serious commuting tool. Designed for ages 6 through adulthood, its standout feature is the integrated shock absorption system and the rubber deck mat, which significantly reduces road vibration, a common pain point in manual scooters. The light-up wheels add a layer of safety and flair for evening rides, while the handbrake provides a level of control that exceeds traditional rear fender brakes. During our review, we found the folding mechanism to be exceptionally crisp and secure. While it is a non-electric kick model, its low-friction bearings allow for an extended range per glide, making it an excellent low-maintenance choice for navigating campus or neighborhood sidewalks. It's a versatile, unboxing-ready gift that grows with the rider thanks to the height-adjustable handlebars. Product number 3. WERHY 8.5-inch electric scooter with dual suspension. WERHY has delivered a powerhouse commuter that punches way above its weight class. Featuring a 350-watt motor and a top speed of 19 mph, this scooter is built for the long-range enthusiast, offering up to 23 miles on a single charge. The dual suspension system is the real hero here, smoothing out cracks and uneven pavement that usually plague 8.5-inch solid tires. For riders looking for a value-packed alternative to more expensive brands, the WERHY offers a clear LED display and intuitive controls right out of the box. Its folding design is robust, ensuring no stem wobble during high-speed segments. If your priority is a mix of speed, distance, and comfort for a daily commute under $1,500, this model provides the technical specifications typically reserved for much pricier performance e-scooters. Product number 4. Segway Ninebot E-Kick Scooter C2 Pro. Segway remains a titan in the industry, and the C2 Pro is their definitive answer for the youth and teen demographic. This model stands out because of its adjustable handlebar height, allowing it to stay relevant as a child grows between the ages of 6 and 14. The new cruise mode is a fantastic safety feature, allowing for steady acceleration that is easy for younger riders to master. With Segway's legendary build quality, you get a highly responsive braking system and a frame that feels remarkably solid compared to generic alternatives. The unboxing process is straightforward, and the app integration allows parents to monitor speed and battery life. It is the perfect blend of a high-tech gadget and a practical transport tool, offering enough range for a full afternoon of adventure without needing a recharge. Product number 5. Anhao Electric Scooter for Kids ages 6 to 12. The Anhao electric scooter is specifically tailored for the younger entry-level rider, focusing on safety and ease of use. Capped at a safe 6 mph, it prevents the whiskey throttle accidents common with overpowered motors. The adjustable height ensures a perfect ergonomic fit for children up to 110 pounds. What makes this a great review candidate is its lightweight frame, which is easy for kids to handle themselves if the battery runs low. The motor is surprisingly quiet, making it ideal for driveway play or trips to the park. For parents searching for a budget-friendly introduction to electric mobility, this scooter offers a durable deck and reliable braking that provides peace of mind. It's a ready-to-ride gift that prioritizes a fun, controlled experience for the youngest members of the family.